The budget for the year 2021-22 is being presented in the backdrop of COVID pandemic. PSD has made a 10-pronged strategy recommendation to our Honorable Finance Minister. Capital market and commodity market plays a very important role in the growth of any economy. There are certain expectations of the capital and commodity market from this budget, which is going to be presented on 1st of February 2021. One of the expectation is the abolition of long-term capital gain tax. If it is done, this will be a big boost to the capital market and investment in the country. Another thing is the establishment of mega development financial institutions. We have seen that banks, if they fund long-term projects, then there is a asset liability mismatch. There is an urgent need to set up the long-term financiers like DFIs. A government can create a vehicle and it can raise sovereign fund through this vehicle, which will be very important for us as we have to finance 111 lakh crore worth of investment in next 5 years towards infrastructure. So I think this needs to be done immediately. Then another thing is cost of doing trading in India is very high as compared to any advanced country of the world. And this is because of securities transaction tax and commodities transaction tax. We expect a reduction in the rates of STT as well as CTT, particularly because of CTT, the volumes in commodities market has come down substantially. And if we want to make a independent, self-reliant India, then we need to be Atmanirbhar even in hedging as well as trading, which is we have seen that in past it has been going out of India. So there is an urgent need to reduce this CTT and STT. I think if these demands are met, the capital market and commodity market players would be very happy, and this would lead to the development and growth of the economy. Thank you.